Hello everyone, welcome to my video walkthrough. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built my very first responsive web page from scratch using semantic HTML and custom CSS layout. So, my web page called SILOGAN, a very Filipino-inspired food website that showcase silog meals, hearty, affordable, and satisfying dishes. So, let's dive into the code together. First, let's take a look at the HTML layout here. So, I'm using the doc type to know that we are using the HTML. So I focus heavily on using semantic elements here to make the document readable and also clean. We have our branding area here and our header. So inside our header here, we have our branding area wrapped in header 1, which is this. Here our logo, the picture of our logo, and the title of our website, which is SILOGAN. Right next to it is our nav. Here our nav, which holding our menu here, menu, order now, about, and home. So moving down to the main tag, I created a targeted hero account here, a hero section layout. Then everything is safely tucked inside a standard wrapping. Container to maintain here, alignment, so the layout splits beautifully into two structural sides. A hero text block on the left containing our headings, interactive call to action button here, yan sila, and a hero image here, block on the right rendering our meal preview image. So ito siya. Now let's head over to the CSS file where the layout design takes place. So here mga design diyan. So I started off with a global receipt here, setting margins and padding to 0, to border box to prevent any size calculation errors. And this also ensures the consistent spacing across browsers. For the body, I set a clean font, family, soft background color, and dark text color. This gives the site a modern and readable look here. Next, the container and header here. The container class, it keeps the content centered with a max width of 1100px. Then the header uses a bold orange background here with padding and subtle border. This makes the navigation stand out. Next is the logo. So the logo combines text and image here. Notice the logo icon is styled with a circular border radius to look neat here. For navigation, I use a flexbox layout with list items stayed in italics bold fonts. Links change color on hover here, transitioning smoothly too. Next, the hero content. So the hero section is split into two parts, the text and the image. So the hero text introduces the site with the headings and a description here. I style the headings with orange highlights, italize the paragraph for emphasis here. Yan. And the .btn button is interactive. It changes the color and slightly scales up when hovered, giving users a satisfying click experience. So lastly, the footer. So my footer here uses a dark background with light text. It's simple but ensures the page feels complete. Then links are styled in muted gray to avoid distraction. In the HTML, I link the CSS file and structure the page with semantic tags, header, main, section, and footer. The navigation links points to different pages like home, about, order now, and menu. The hero section introduces the SILOGAN with a heading description and an image of a silog meal. And finally, the footer closes the page with the copyright. That's all. Thank you.